Ravi was tired, not from work, but from life. Anger, stress, overthinking, it all lived inside him like a storm. One day, his grandma said, visit Kedarnath temple not for rituals, but for peace. Ravi did not believe much in God, especially in Lord Shiva, but he went anyway. The journey was hard, cold winds, long paths, silence of the mountains. Yet something felt different. As he reached near the temple, he saw people praying with deep faith. Some were crying, some were smiling. Ravi thought, why come all this way just to fold hands? That night, exhausted, he sat near the temple and closed his eyes. Suddenly, in the stillness, he felt a presence, not loud, not magical, but calm, powerful. In his heart, he heard a voice. You came here to find me, but you are running away from yourself. Ravi opened his eyes, shaken. Before him, in a divine vision, stood Lord Shiva, still, peaceful like the mountains, and beside him, Parvati Ma, gentle and compassionate. Parvati Ma spoke softly. People think we live in temples, but we live in hearts that are ready to release pain. Shiva then said, spiritual places are not to clean your body, they are to burn your ego, your fear, your pain. At that moment, Ravi completely broke down. All his stress, anger, and hidden emotions came out as tears. Not because God fixed his problems, but because he finally let go and surrendered to them. When he returned home, life was the same, but Ravi was not. He felt lighter, stronger, peaceful, because he understood temples don't change your life, they change you. Lord Shiva destroys what is false within you. Parvati Ma heals what is broken within you. If you like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel Purpose of Life. Bye.